the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is XRP, the cryptocurrency, you guys. So I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, helps us find our support and resistance lines and all these other good things. So now let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So we're down nearly 5% for the morning, you guys. And so let's go over our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get into more on where we're at. Okay, so up here is our highest level of resistance tested, and you can see that clearly over here. We got rejected over here, multiple times over here, under here, and over here. So about 5 or 6 times we've hit this area and ultimately got rejected, you guys. I will zoom in so you guys can see that a little bit better. Down here is our lowest level of support tested, you guys, and we can look left like Beyonce says. We consolidated on this support line for probably months until we came up, came back down, retested this area twice, another 3 or 4 times over here, and so now we're headed back to where we're at currently. Okay, so over here we are currently at 55 cents. We just broke below our minor resistance, so now it's underneath here in this downward trend, you guys. So we are underneath this trend line. We can even look at the RSI, and it's showing that's a little bit oversold. So what we want to look for is this to correct and come back up and at least break above the 67-cent level and come up and come back down and retest that as a support level. So if we can do that, it'll show that buyers are stepping up and ultimately that we are creating this reversal. But as of right now, since we are underneath this resistance, you can see that we came up, got rejected, came up, got rejected again, ultimately failed, and now we're starting to push back down. Okay, so we do have a lot of room to retest our lower level of support. And hopefully we don't hit that lower support, because that's going to be at the 22-cent area. So that is a huge difference, you guys. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that we are going to go back down to the support level, but you have to keep in mind that this is a heavily tested area, and we do tend to return back to this lower level. Okay, so as for XRP, you guys, I would be patient and wait for a clear direction. If we can start reversing it, at least come back up and retest this resistance, then we can start looking for a breakout at the 67-cent area. If not, if we break below the 49-cent area, that's a clear telltale sign that we are going to be returning back down to our lower level of support. So we just have to keep a close eye on this, you guys, and wait for the best opportunity. I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently, and if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. Eventually, I will be able to trade live for you guys and or break down a lot of the stocks that you guys are interested in live as well, instead of making these individual videos. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.